Hi, my name is Cheryl McLaughlin with CrazyCheryl.com and welcome to ExpertVillage.com. I want to talk about some of the supplies and cooking tools that you will need when you're making my freshly ground whole wheat oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. We are not using any white flour in this cookie, which makes it taste a lot better and it's so much more healthy for you. But in order to do that, you do need a certain kind of machine, and that's called a wheat grinder. One of the kinds of wheat grinders I really like is the Nutri-Mill. It has a lifetime guarantee, and inside here is where I put the wheat. And we will go ahead and grind this wheat pretty soon, and you'll see how this wheat grinder works. Also, my other favorite tool is a Bosch Mixer. You can use a regular handheld mixer, but I really like foods that I can make fast and easy, and this Bosch Mixer mixes this while I am adding more ingredients. Has the beaters in here and everything, and I can mix it up very quickly. And I love this Bosch Mixer. It's a very powerful mixer too, much stronger than a handheld mixer, but you can use a handheld mixer. I have my measuring spoon, I have a measuring cup, and a couple of hot pads. And you're going to see why this is an important supply. Sandwich bags. You can use a Ziploc or little twist ties, but sandwich bags you're going to see are very important for this recipe. And also, I make double batches instead of a single batch since I can store them a lot longer, and so I like the big measuring cups when I cook my cookies also.